Wow! Eksaktong paglabas ko, sumasayaw na. Learn to love again by Lawson. The die, let no, and all, and the journey wait for no one, if no one brings come on, and I hide, I'm stronger than we know. That you and I learn to love again. Maybe that is how I knew you were the one. That you can still believe in me again after all I tried. Maybe that is how I knew you were the one. Go away and no remain the soul as someone. See, maganda na yung fountain kasi may ilaw-ilaw na. That you and I can learn to love again after all this time. That you can still believe in me again after all I tried. Maybe that is how I knew you were the one. Shy that we remember Solo song in the shadow, and that is how I knew you were the one. And that is how I knew you were the one. Hold on, meron pa yan. Red Lights by Tisto. Alam ko din to. I must have as many as recording as I should. Rafa, Sophie, we were so lucky. Eksaktong paglabas natin ng start na agad. You're gonna make it now. Don't ever turn around. Don't ever turn around. Nobody else needs to know. We can just run the window. We can just run the window. Nobody else needs no way. We can never way. We can just run them when light. We can just run them when light. Wow, splashy water sound with Unit 9. Mas maganda na dito sa Eastwood kasi may ilaw na yung gabi. Happy birthday sa akin! This song was released noong 2013 pa. Almost 10 years na. Don't ever think alone. Nobody else needs to know where we might go. We can just from them red line. We can just from them red line. Nobody else needs to wait. You can just from them red. We can just from them red line. I'll make an album later. From them, when life, So, colorful ang ilaw ng fountain. 1,000 out of 10. 100 out of 10 pala. 1,000% rated ng fountain natin. And ito nga, tuwing tapos na ang fountain show, ganito ang conclusion ng fountain. Siyempre, Sophie and Wafa ay nakakatuwa makita itong fountain na to. Babalik tayo ulit yata dito sa November. Let's see if we can do next month. And that's all for now. See you all again later.